Very tasty.
Very nice.
Good people and good
Food.
food.
Very delicious food.
Very delicious. Cooking with people.
Portuguese bread.
Vegetarian foods.
This is the first time I entered the kitchen and I cooked with many people.
It was really challenging yesterday and fruitful to see youngsters and adults cooking together and making their own recipes, their own approach and their own touch on it.
I love to cook.
And the people encouraged me. We got to cook together, we got to eat together. It just felt like a big happy family.
It's important for me to eat local produces, listen to my body, cook intuitionally. And this project was a very good reminder of it because out of convenience, it's easy to forget. And I am also guilty of that.
It's something that kind of pushed me outside my comfort zone and showed me different things, so I do enjoy that.
I'm really waiting for the rest of the activities and food waste and also how to make food and cooking more approachable to people.
I learned about microplants, microgreens.
I think we need more projects like this. Not everyone has this knowledge. I also learned some new things. For example, Remus, my coordinator, did a very interesting workshop about microgreens.
What I'm taking from this is that like good people and good food is really important in your day-to-day life.